Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss text before and text after function in Excel. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, here I have full name column, first name and last name. This simple example of text before and text after, I'll write Wardlow AW for better understanding. As you can see, if you consider Samoa Joe to be the first name, Samoa Joe to be the last name, same as John Cena. So I wrote all the wrestlers' name because I'm kind of wrestling fan. So I just wrote Stone Cold The Rock. How to extract this and write in a function. So for that, guys, let us first discuss text before. How to differentiate Wardlow and AW, Samoa and Joe, John and Cena, etc. If you just click equal to here, you can write text before. You just have to click on tab, and then you can see many things here. Text delimiter, instant match mode, match and if not found. We'll see simple in this video. If you like this video, let me know. I'll explain the complex scenarios. So here, I want to know the text. What is my text? I'll go for A2. And what is the delimiter? So I just have to give space. If I just click on tab, I'll get Wardlow. What I have to do, I have to just drag it to the down. So I'll get Samoa, I'll get John, Roman, CM, Stone and D. Right? This is the simple example of text before. For the last name, guys, I want AW, Joe, Cena, Reigns, Punk, Stone Cold, Rock. For this, I will go text after. Click on tab and just write A2 after and delimiter, you just give space. You can see AW comes and just drag it to the bottom. So we got the desired results. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.